hits the boat just right, and it's just like a wreck. It's just a mathematic thing. Oh, you get these big ones, but they break a foot ahead or a foot behind. Not a big deal, but if it hits right in the spot.
We tucked in behind the first Cook Island we came to wait out the storm.
Oh, look at that, look at that. It's so blue.
We came in on a Sunday, which is typically when they are closed, but they will come out to your boat for an added fee. Let's go check the other side. Doesn't look like anything's rattled loose. We were going to get each individual courtesy flag at each country, but as we started looking for them, every time we got to a country, they were always sold out. So, we got a giant pack of...
all the Pacific ones. South Pacific, of course.
It's a funky one.
That's a funky one.
No, it's like France.
It probably is.
Hey, I know that one.
That was for Hawaii.
Ah, for Hawaii. That makes sense. Cook Island flag! Do-do-do-do! Another country. We've been cleared by customs and we've been cleared by immigration. Now we're waiting for the health inspector and the biosecurity.